Are you a backpacker or a solo traveler looking for your next escape? If you're dreaming of pristine landscapes, a peaceful atmosphere, and untouched nature without sacrificing modern essentials, Gunungkidul, Yogyakarta is calling your name. While Bali remains a world-famous icon, Gunungkidul offers a different kind of magic. A balance of raw, natural beauty, modern infrastructure, and an incredibly low cost of living. Gunungkidul is home to a stunning coastline of white sand beaches. From the iconic Tranquil beach to hidden coves tucked behind limestone cliffs, the scenery easily rivals the best spots in Bali. The best part? You can enjoy the ocean breeze without the loud beach clubs, heavy traffic, or swarms of tourists. It is truly a sanctuary for those seeking peace. One of the biggest concerns for modern travelers is staying connected. Gunungkidul has made massive leaps in infrastructure. Reliable internet. High-speed connectivity is now widely available, making it easy to hop on a Zoom call or manage your remote business. Smooth access. Well-paved roads connect the city of Yogyakarta to the coastal areas, and local transport options are readily available. If you are traveling on a budget, Gunungkidul is a paradise. From cozy homestays to local villas, accommodation prices are significantly lower than in more commercialized provinces. You'll find that your money goes much further here, whether it's for a month-long stay or a weekend getaway. The locals in Gunungkidul are known for their genuine smiles and kindness. As a solo traveler, safety and feeling welcome are priorities. Here you'll experience the authentic Javanese culture where people treat you like a guest, not just a tourist. This is the comparison: Gunungkidul versus popular tourist hubs. To make the most of your visit, aim for weekdays to enjoy the beaches in peace, rent a scooter for the best way to navigate the winding coastal roads, and stay productive by utilizing the many work-from-beach cafes appearing along the coast. Gunungkidul is the perfect blend of tranquility, modern convenience, and budget-friendly living. For those looking to escape the hustle and bustle without going off-grid, this hidden gem in Yogyakarta is an unbeatable choice.